In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Calendar with non-Gmail users. This process is straightforward and incredibly helpful when you need to share calendar details with people who don't use Google services. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open Google Calendar in your preferred web browser. Once you're there, look at the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a list of your calendars. Hover over the calendar you wish to share, and you'll notice a small menu icon represented by 3 vertical dots. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From the menu, select Settings and Sharing. This action will take you to a more detailed settings page for your chosen calendar. Now scroll down the page until you find a section called Access Permissions for Events. This is where you can modify how others interact with your calendar. Here, you'll have the option to check a box that says Make Available to Public. Alternatively, there may be an option that reads Make Available for anyone with the link. Selecting one of these will grant access to your calendar to the extent that you choose. It's important to note that within these options, you can decide whether you want people to see only free busy times without specifics or to see all event details, allowing them to view comprehensive information about your calendar events. Choose the one that best fits your privacy needs. Once you've configured the visibility settings to your liking, the next step is to share the calendar with non-Gmail users. You'll notice an option to copy the shareable link. This link is crucial. It is what you'll distribute to anyone who doesn't have a Google account but needs access to your calendar. Simply copy this link and send it through email or any messaging platform you prefer. Remember, the people receiving this link can open it in any web browser, and they can also add it to various calendar applications such as Outlook, Apple Calendar, or others they might be using. One crucial point to keep in mind: making your calendar available to the public means that anyone with this link can access your calendar. It's essential to use this sharing option with caution. By following these steps, you can effectively share your Google Calendar with non-Gmail users while controlling how much of your information they can see. With this new skill in your toolkit, you'll be able to collaborate seamlessly with a broader audience, regardless of their email provider. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips